Hey, what's up everybody? We're doing a electronic throttle plate cleaning on a 2016 Toyota Corolla. First we need to take off this engine cover. This will just pull off, just gently wobble it, wiggle it till it pops loose, and then we will put it on the ground or put it somewhere safe so it doesn't get stepped on. We gotta take this 10mm bolt loose and the one on the airbox a little loose. And also we gotta get this hose off this air. This you could probably squeeze or use some pliers to squeeze it. Once it's off, just kind of twist this until it comes off. Be gentle because that plastic nipple might break. Get yourself a 10mm socket or wrench, or you can get a screwdriver. Unscrew these a little bit. You don't got to do them super loose. Just get them loose enough to where you can move the hose off. Shouldn't be that long. You could probably squeeze this. If the car is older, if it's like more than 5 years old, be careful with this boot. It might be brittle by then. But if it's newer, then they're still real flexible. Here's our electronic throttle. First thing is make sure your key is out of the ignition. If you have your key in there or the accessories are turned on, it'll set a code. Get yourself a throttle plate cleaner or maybe brake cleaner. I got mine out of this Toyota system kit. Always spray the rag, never spray the throttle plate. So you spray your rag. Like I said, if you don't have throttle plate cleaner, you can probably get away with brake cleaner. Now, you want to push on the bottom of the throttle plate to open it up, and be careful because it's going to want to shut, so don't get your finger pinched. Hold it open and clean the top and the bottom of the cylinder, and then also of the plate itself on the edge. I'll show you what I mean here. So go from the bottom to open it. Hold it with one hand open. Now clean the bottom, and then we can clean the top, and also clean the edges of the plate. There is a mesh net in there. Be careful not to damage that or push on it too hard. And just get it real clean as best you can. Now mine is clean, and that's it, guys. We'll go ahead and put it back together. Be gentle with the electronic throttles. You gotta be gentle because they can be kind of fragile. So put your air hose back on. Make sure you match them up. Put this back on, and that's it, guys. After you get your 10mm bolts tight, I would start your engine. Just let it idle for a couple minutes, and yeah. So hope this video helps you out. Please subscribe.